Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I'm back, and here is Corey, and here are my other friends. There's like Victor, Tina, Daniel, and Timmy. Yeah, Timmy. Yep. I'm showing you the food of how we got left. We're trying to survive like the snowstorm that's going. That's like it's like that's like going crazy right now. It's like if you want to see it, I can't show you it as my tablet's charging, of course. Hey Corey, you want to say hi again? Hi, Robbie. We're trying to survive. Hi YouTube, it's me Corey again. Like my favorite snacks are fruit roll-ups. We got these like Great Value Cheetos. They taste so cheesy. We got some Red Velvet Chips Ahoy that we have not yet eaten. We got some McDonald's right there. Yep. Some RC Cola right there. And we just ate breakfast. And we're still trying to survive the snowstorm. I can't take it anymore. I want to die. I want to die. Humans are not meant to live like this. I'm gonna kill myself. Timmy, what are you doing? Oh, let me try it again. Try again. Ow. Ow, I don't want to die in a snowstorm. I'd rather die by committing suicide. Ow. Oh. Timmy, what are you doing? Are you mad? No, Robert, I want to die. I'd rather die by committing suicide. I'm gonna I'm gonna die. I'm gonna try and hit the wall one more time. This time real fast. Timmy? Timmy, are you okay? Timmy? Timmy? Guys, Timmy is dead. Like, legit dead now. He's not even playing. He is dead, dropped on the floor. Yep. Rest in peace, Timmy. You are always such a good friend to us. He was such a good friend. Yeah, Timmy, you showed me the way to spirit. I'm so sorry that you had to die when we're in a snowstorm. Timmy, I'm sorry your parents were abusing to you. I should have respected your property. I'm sorry I yelled at your dad. Also, Timmy, I loan you $50 for that RC Cola you got for us, and you promised you'd pay me back, and you did not pay me back. I'm gonna take your shoes. Come on. Okay. Come on. There. So what are you gonna do now, Daniel? So you're with Timmy's shoes. I'm gonna go sell these on Craigslist and get my money back. Yeah. So Daniel is sell Timmy's shoes on Craigslist so he can get all his money back. And looks like it stopped. Hey guys, the snowstorm just stopped. Yay! Hooray! That's a relief. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. There you have it, folks. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you all in the next video.